Hello guys, you're watching Droid Crunch. I'm Lokesh Kapoor. In this video, I will tell you how you can create a post type and how you can add custom fields for your specific post type and another post type, and how you can create a template for your newly created custom post type. So let's get started. So if you have not already unearthed the power of custom fields and custom post types in WordPress, then this is the video for you guys. So watch this video till the end, and I'm sure you will get to know a lot of things. So first of all, I have these plugins already installed on website. So these are dynamic content for Elementor. So dynamic content for Elementor is one of the best plugins I have ever used for Elementor, and it gives me tons of widgets extensions that makes my work very smooth and powerful, and it is very handy for forms, for ACF fields, and for many other things. Uh, so it's always worth the price. So this is the plugin that you can download from the website. I will leave a link in the description so you can download it from there. And the other plugins I'm using, Elementor Pro, and the rest are of the Metabox. Metabox is a plugin that helps me creating custom posts and taxonomies, custom fields, and it's very useful plugin. So it's just an alternative for ACF, you may say, but it is a very powerful plugin I ever used, and it gives me not only the power of ACF but also some other plugins. Is with ACF I cannot create custom post. I can create custom fields but not custom post types. For that purpose I have to add CPT UI plugin, but with Metabox I can also create custom posts, taxonomies, and custom fields and all that things. So here are different features of Metabox that makes it uh, very competitive in the market. You can see I will leave a link in the description of the same as well, so you can check them out. Here's my account where from where I can download all the plugins of Metabox. So let's get started. So we already downloaded the plugin. We will start off by creating a post type. So let's get to our Metabox dashboard. Here are the post type and taxonomies. Create custom post types. Let's start now. We'll create a coupons post type, plural coupons, and singular coupon, right? And we will leave all things as they are. And here are the supports. For supports, let's check the custom fields thing, maybe comments, but it's not necessary. And also you can check the category or tag taxonomies, like here you see for the post category and tags. Let's publish this. Now we have a new custom post type, that is all coupons, right? So I will create a custom field, right, and assign that to my post type. I already have created a field for coupon, so I will by creating a new one, that will be coupon coupons coupon fields. Okay, now I will let me add coupon headline, right? This is a required field, but if you want to create a clonable, that is a repeater thing, and if you disable it, it cannot be added in the admin dashboard. So also you can change appearance of it, create a placeholder for the same, and go to advanced, add attributes and logic for the same, right? So let's add a text field again. Now make it coupon code, maybe we'll see it. Now a text field again, or maybe a URL field for the affiliate link or the coupon link, right? Add an affiliate link. Cool. Let's go to settings and choose the post type. For this we have coupon post type. Let's remove post and hit on save settings. Now we have our custom fields assigned to our post type, that is coupons. Let's add to now. We will add a coupon MB, right? We will generate the lorem ipsum text and we will paste it here. Okay, now we have two coupon groups coming here. So what we will need to do, nothing, just control C, and here we hit control V. Let's get back to custom fields. We had MB1, so let's trash this. And so what we had done, so it's not working as it is. So let us open code, advanced, know this logic. Coupon B. Now we have coupon headline that we can say 40% of this Black Friday. Coupon code 40 of MB. Coupon link maybe right crunch. We are good to go. Let's publish this. Now we have created custom post and custom post type and custom fields for our post type. Now the next thing is to do is to create a template for our custom post type. So let's go to Elementor Templates and add a new template. Choose single post and coupon single. You can name it anything. This for the recognizing purpose, so you get to know. You can design either way, but let's just put our values. That is to say custom post title, okay, post content. Let's go to preview thing, choose to coupon and coupon MB. Let's click on apply and preview. Good to go. We had this thing. You can style it anytime, but for now we will leave it as it is. Now what we can do is just create a heading, right? Create a dynamic text. Click on token, that's dynamic content. Click on wizard mode. Click on post. Here field values. Alright, we got it. 40% off this Black Friday. Now when you get to know all the fields value, like ID of your thing, so this token is coming from where? It's coming from dynamic content for Elementor. So I will leave a link in the description, so you can buy this plugin. This is very useful. You can choose the token for any other purpose. Maybe I show you. Here are tokens. You can read them here. Okay. So tokens are very useful to fetch the data of the website. So yeah, very useful this way. Or maybe you can also fetch it from, instead of token, you can get this on Metabox field, right? And here the coupon headline, duplicate, and here is the coupon code, right? And here is the coupon link. Now you can design it either way. So you can also do it from tokens, and also you can do it from Metabox field. That will come up when you click on dynamic thing, right? So now you can design it if you know how to design Elementor. So I'm not going to stretch this video anymore, so you can check out more videos for designing things. It's just a very easy thing to do. So I will stop this video for now. This is very easy thing for to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you can just leave your questions in comment box, and also please subscribe to our channel. We need your support, so we will continue making more videos. So till then, bye bye, have a wonderful day. Thanks.